Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome to my channel Nikki's Cookbook. Today's video is a delicious and a moist chocolate cake which has got a custard and strawberry filling. Now this is a very delicious cake and it is a must try. So let's get started. We'll make the chocolate sponge first. For that I have taken around 1 and 3/4 cup of flour, that is maida, plain flour, 3/4 cup cocoa powder, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon salt. Sift all the dry ingredients together. Mix them up and keep it aside. Next we will take the wet ingredients. For that I have taken 1 and 3/4 cup of sugar, oil half cup, yogurt half cup, vinegar 1 tablespoon, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. I've shown the vanilla essence first and then 1 tablespoon of vinegar, milk half cup, and then mix all of these together till the sugar completely dissolves and it becomes one emulsion. Now into this we will add around 1.5 teaspoon of coffee powder, instant coffee powder. To this I have added hot water 3/4 cup and then again mix it. Now into this we will add the dry ingredients in parts and we will mix it up in such a way that there are no lumps of any kind in the batter. The batter should be smooth and a little runny and it should not be lumpy. Now I have transferred this into an 8-inch mold and then we are going to bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for around 45 minutes till the toothpick inserted at the center comes out clean. Now we are going to make the custard while the cake is being baked. For this I have taken 3 egg yolks. Into this I have added 200 ml of condensed milk. Into this goes around 250 ml of Amul cream or any cream that you have, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, a pinch of salt. Now mix all of these together till it is a smooth texture. It should not have any lumps of custard powder, and then once it is completely mixed up, put on the flame and then cook it till it thickens. You can see that it is started thickening. At this point of time we are going to add in a half teaspoon of vanilla essence and then cook it again till it thickens. You can cook it till you have a desired consistency. I have kept it a little thick here. If you want, you can keep it a little more thin. Now while it is still hot, we are going to run it through a sieve so that it is not lumpy. And then cover it with the cling film and just touch the cling film to the surface of the custard so that it does not develop a skin over it, and let it cool down. And now in the meantime our cake is ready and I have removed it from the mold. Now we are going to wrap it up with the cling film and keep it in the fridge for some time so that it cools down a little. You can see that the cake is really well baked. Now after the cake is a little cool, we are going to slice it into two parts. And then I have made chocolate ganache here. I have taken 200 grams of dark chocolate and 100 grams of cream and melted it on a double boiler and then kept it aside. And now that it is cool, it is at this consistency. We are going to keep it aside as well. Now we can wet the cake with sugar syrup or simple water and then top it up with the custard that we have prepared. And then layer it with strawberry crush or any flavor if you have blueberry, pineapple, whatever, but I'm making a strawberry filling custard cake here, so I am filling it with strawberries. Place on the second layer as well. Wet the surface again with sugar syrup. And then cover the cake with the chocolate ganache. Now I'm doing an ironing technique here. Once you have covered the cake with the ganache, just dip your spatula in hot water and then just spread the spatula onto the chocolate and you will get a shine and a smooth finish. And then I'm just going to finish it up with some chocolate cookies crumb that I've made, and then just top it up with some strawberries and your delicious custard filling chocolate cake with fresh strawberries is ready. And this is an excellent cake. Please do give it a try. Subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon for notifications, and until next time, goodbye. Okay.